everyone, welcome to DJT. I'm Hideki and your navigator. Does your kid bring the lunch to school? In Japan, many parents make a bento for their kids every morning, and the quality can be really amazing. So today I will introduce the bento culture in Japan. Okay, let's get started. Take a look at these lunches. Beautiful, isn't it? So many colors, so many little dishes, everything carefully arranged in a small box. In Japan, this kind of lunch is called bento. And yes, many of these are made at home every morning for children or for a family member going to work. For many people outside Japan, that is a real surprise. Not just how beautiful it is, but the fact that someone makes this every day. In North America, many students also bring lunch from home. Usually it is simple, a sandwich, some snacks, fruit like a banana or an apple. It is practical. Lunch is fuel. It does the job. Japanese bento is practical too, of course, but it often looks very different. There are usually more items, more color, more attention to balance and arrangement. So even before you eat it, a Japanese bento already says something about the culture behind it. But real homemade bento is not always picture perfect. In many Japanese families, making bento has long been part of everyday life. Sometimes it is leftover pasta, sometimes curry from the night before, sometimes ginger pork or a few simple side dishes. Not always pretty, not always elaborate, and not always made with extra time to spare. That is also real bento. So, when people imagine Japanese bento as something artistic or special, that is only part of the story. Very often, it is simply an ordinary homemade lunch. Bento has a long history in Japan. Long ago, it was practical food for travelers, farmers, and even samurai. It had to be portable. It had to fit in a small space, and it had to work. But in Japan, practically often means aesthetics. Even simple food is often arranged with some thought. That may be one reason bento became more than just lunch. It reflects something deeply Japanese. The idea that even everyday things can be done with order, balance, and a sense of form. Of course, there is another side to the story. Today, social media has changed bento culture. Character bento, perfect presentation, unspoken competition. Some people enjoy it, but some parents feel pressure. They feel tired. When something once done naturally starts to feel like a performance, it can become stressful. So maybe the heart of bento is not perfection. Maybe it is something much simpler. Someone prepared this for you. Sometimes that care is beautifully arranged. Sometimes it is just leftovers in a lunchbox. But both are still bento. Today's Japanese lesson is これは何ですか? That means what is this? When you go to a picnic with the Japanese people and When you see something inside a bento and you want to ask something, what's this? You can use this phrase. Very useful. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. これは何ですか？これは何ですか？ That's great! Oh, I have to wake up early tomorrow morning because I'm making bento for my kid. Okay, see you next time. Bye!